When you first are choosing to act, it can be extremely horrifying. When you're first choosing to help people, whether it be with your business, whether it be with your family, whatever, there's going to be a lot of people rejecting you. But what also is cool, that there is different people that will see your passion, will see what you're doing, and that they will love to be a part of it. At this time, my tongue felt like paper. There was a bear in my stomach. I knew my body was on the brink of exhaustion. I kept having these dreams and thoughts that there was blood on my hands, blood that just couldn't be washed away. I didn't know if it was my dehydration or if I was becoming delusional, but I hear this sound. It starts very faint and gets louder and louder.
Am I in heaven with you?
This is definitely not heaven. You blacked out for a moment there. My name is Alize, and you need to take it easy, American.
How do you know that I'm from the US?
Oh, because nobody around this village comes to Chickathumb. And the way you talk and the way you look, I'm sure you're not from around here.
I swear, you have to be some sort of princess or some sort of goddess.
I am many.
Don't come near me. Yeah, back off.
I thought you were some princess.
We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here.
Where?
Let's go. I'm gonna take you to my house, and then we're gonna meet the leader tomorrow.
After you get slapped.
Yeah.
You're taking me to your house. Okay. All right.
Chickathumb, look in front of you.
Oh my heavens. I knew you were going to hell.
Yeah.
That's
This is our curse. We bury our dead. The next morning they appear. So in death, we're still in prison. That's my life. This is how we live. This is the curse of Chickathumb. Come on, now we need to move. Let's go. So you'll be staying here tonight.
Women shelter. Praise God. Oh,
So
look.
we'll be meeting Ibrahim tomorrow at 9. Okay. Nick, why did you come here?
Long story. Was hit by a car, pronounced dead by the police. Was talked to some god, some deity, showed me people who need help. Your village was the people I saw that needed help.
Oh, those people were this village.
I've seen a man who was forced to become strong. Well, I'll come get you at 9. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, Nick.
Night.
Good morning.
Good morning. You should have been ready by now. I mean, we have to go see Ibrahim. So, like, hurry up.
I mean, I hope they're careful and I hope they know what they're doing, you know?
I think they know what they're doing.
Well, they're kind of cute.
They are sweet.
Yeah, 2 lovebirds, huh?
Should that be us?
I mean, Nick.
Distance?
Nick. No. No, no, no.